Welcome to Viral Grabbers Worldwide. This week's episode will discuss 5 foods to consume for strong, glossy nails. Watch for additional information. Please give this video a like and subscribe. Click the notification icon to get a weekly reminder of new videos. Let's continue. The kitchen is where strong nails are born. Start in the kitchen with sturdy, shiny, smooth nails that are attractive enough to flaunt without polish and durable enough to open a can of seltzer without breaking. According to registered dietitian Megan Wolf, who practices in New York City, your body requires a healthy supply of particular nutrients to do so. Your body must constantly replace the cells that make up your nails. Include these items frequently in your diet to provide your nails the nutrients they require to become thick and strong. Edamame. For cysteine and folate. A wise decision would be the edamame appetizer before sushi. According to Libby Mills, a registered dietitian based in Westchester, Pennsylvania, soybeans are a good source of cysteine, an amino acid required for the creation of the protein keratin, one of the main components of your nails. Edamame is also a good source of folate, which is necessary for the growth of new nail cells. Try this. Cooked, shelled edamame, diced tomatoes, sweet corn, lime juice, and white onion are combined to make your own salsa. Or add chili powder to steamed edamame for a flavorful snack. Eggs, for biotin. Instead of using your nails, crack an egg. One of the best food sources of the B vitamin biotin, which encourages protein synthesis in the area under your nails that produces nail cells, is eggs. Increasing nail thickness and preventing brittleness are 2 benefits of biotin, according to Mills. If at all feasible, try to acquire your biotin from food. Certain medical tests may be affected by the high amounts in several supplements. Try this. 2 further excellent sources of biotin are chopped broccoli and smoked salmon, which can be added to scrambled eggs. Cashews, for zinc. Cashews are a good source of zinc, which is necessary for protein synthesis and cell division, 2 processes that are crucial for your constantly developing nails. And since your body cannot permanently store it, you need it every day. Including enough in your diet can help you maintain strong, lustrous nails. But, if they are weak or dry, Wolf advises, you may be zinc deficient. Banana slices, sliced dates, and almond milk are added to a smoothie made from cashews that have been chilled overnight to soak. Sweet potatoes. For vitamin A. Something extra sweet about these spuds, just one provides a whopping 561% of your daily dose of vitamin A, which helps your nail cells reproduce properly. When you don't get enough vitamin A in your diet, your nails may be brittle and develop vertical ridges that split and crack, Mills says. Try this. For a new twist on the traditional dip, combine mashed sweet potatoes with hummus. Add chopped sage for an earthy flavor, cinnamon and a drizzle of maple syrup for a sweet flavor. Orange or yellow peppers. For vitamin C. When it comes to vitamin C, which your body requires to make collagen, a structural protein in your nails, yellow bell peppers come out on top. In order to maintain strong, healthy nails, Wolf advises eating meals high in vitamin C. When collagen production declines with age, this can lead to thinner, weaker nails. The quantity of C in one large yellow pepper is 4 times the daily recommended level. Sliced yellow bell peppers should be marinated for 2 hours, keep refrigerated in the fridge, in a mixture of olive oil, red wine vinegar, minced garlic, and chopped rosemary. Thank you for watching Viral Grabbers Worldwide. Please like and subscribe to this video. To receive a weekly reminder of new videos, click the notification button. We also have a great number of other videos in our playlist on our channel page. We'll speak once more shortly. Bye.